Hello and welcome to HygroMatik. My name is Markgraf and we are in the presentation room in HygroMatik. I would like to show you what maintenance looks like on an LPS low pressure system. Before I go about the unit, I disconnect the unit from the power supply and protect it against restarting. The central part of the LPS is the water-lubricated and hence maintenance-free stainless steel rotary vane pump. HygroMatik guarantees maintenance-free pump operation for up to 25,000 operating hours, which equals about 5 years of operation. A part of yearly maintenance, or after 2,500 hours of operation, is to check the entire system for tightness, i.e. leakage. That means all hose lines, including the hoses that lead to the nozzles. Furthermore, we need to check what the nozzle spray pattern is like. And finally, we have here the water filter, which we need to replace as well. I will show you how that is done, changing the filter. First, we will unscrew the casing. Take the filter out. Replace it for a new filter. And screw it back on. After this minimal maintenance effort, the unit is again ready to run for an entire year.